All right guys, so here we are back, and this is a normal day for me. It is, I don't know how hot and humid, but it is November and I am literally dripping with sweat. I just finished washing the outside of my truck, and we are gonna try the new product from ACS Composite. It is ReNew, which is good for rubber and plastic and things like that. We're gonna find out how well it does cleaning the disgusting floor mats in my truck. I spend a lot of time walking through dirt and mud, tracking all of that back into the rubber floor mats in my truck. So we're gonna find out today how good this product is. Let's take a look at how dirty it is right now. So as you can see, there is a lot of dirt on here. So I am going to use my magic pressure washer here. We're gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna get this ACS Composite ReNew out, and let's find out how well it actually does. So here we are, ACS Composite ReNew. Let's open up the box and get started. Always packaged with quality. Even something as simple as this. So here we are, ACS ReNew, Renovator. Let's get started. So the first step is going to be to wash the mat. Now we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna use the ReNew and see how it looks. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try this out, ACS ReNew. And in case you can't tell, this is what it looks like right now. So let's get started. It smells good. I know performance is more important, but it smells good. And man, it does dry fast. And it says if you want to let it sit without rinsing it, without wiping it, it will actually give you a glossy finish. If you want a more matte finish, wipe it off like I'm doing now. And it is supposed to repel dust. I gotta tell you, this stuff actually is really, really good. Look at this. Look how well that did. This thing was disgusting. You saw it. I mean, look over here. This is, I did not clean any of this off with it. I gotta say, I really like this ACS ReNew. Let's go do the rest of the truck and let's see how that looks. All right, I don't know if you guys can see how dirty all this is. I did actually kind of wipe it down with a wet cloth, but it still looks pretty bad. But let's go ahead and use this and see what it looks like. I think it did an amazing job. I will be honest. I am impressed. All right, I guess we'll go ahead and do this area here. I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit more to get some of the dirt off of it, but let's go ahead and wipe that down and let's see what it looks like. All right guys, let's go ahead and spray this down and see how this looks. And yes, this is a work truck. I do a lot of predominantly new construction, home building, roofing. We work for a lot of home builders, and I actually get out at the job site quite often and walk through a lot of mud after it's rained, things like that, the dirt. So of course my truck sustains a lot of dirt. It actually smelled really bad in here the other day. It smelled like dirt. I had a loaner truck for a couple days and it smelled so nice. And this is a 2020, so you would expect that it should still hopefully smell nice, but not when it's full of dirt. Anyway, I'm pretty impressed, but that's why I wanted to do it with my truck as opposed to my Corvette or the Lambo or anything like that, because those cars stay predominantly clean. I keep them in the garage most of the time, but I wanted to do this for ACS because I wanted to try out their product. And I will say, considering they're not a Adams or some other type of company that's been around and established making these kind of products, I think this stuff is done really good. So my thumbs up to ACS. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. And if you do like Corvette content, we have a lot more coming up. Next week, I will be doing a replacement of a part on my car. I'm not really sure why GM felt the need to put it on there. It's kind of cheap, but we're going to rectify that. If you do like Corvette content, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And I want to say thank you guys for watching and have a great day.